White Oud was our bestseller in the month of July, and Alhamdulillah, this month we are still packing more white wood. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as you watch this video. So I have been packing this white wood bakhoor non-stop. My customers love it, old customers, new customers, they love this white wood bakor. And the funny thing about this bakor is that it is the most easiest bakor to make. This Trarota is very easy. It is an incense that lasts so long in the room. Like, I have dropped a full video, or I have dropped a video of this right wood recipe, I think 2 times on this channel, but I'm going to do well to also add the links of those videos in my description box, inshallah. I hope I do not forget. And this one I'm packing, this jar I'm packing is for a customer in Niger. I love the relationship we have with the Niger people, especially with the Traramota vendors or the Bakur vendors. Niger people love our product, and I understand why they love it, because they understand quality, they like good stuff, they like authentic stuff. So if you have been wondering what our Traramota smell like, our Traramota smell like the traditional Sharon water. We have the fruity floral Sharon water, which are the like sandal flakes, the nalbanat, and sandal nawara. Those are the only three Sharon water that are not giving that traditional scent. But let me tell you, even our sandal flakes, it has this woody leather bass note that is very present. You can perceive it. It is long lasting, it is strong, and it is also giving that traditional scent. So I would not say it is 100% like floral or like 100% oriental. It still has this traditional note. So for this white wood, it is an woody vanilla fragrance. This is an incense that you need to try. This Shramucha lasts so long in the room, and trust me guys, these 4 jars are for one amazing customer. Like, I love my customers so much. They love the good stuff, and all the Shramucha are readily available. If you want me to customize your Shramucha to your taste, just let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next one. We have this beautiful bridal budget friendly glow box for our upcoming brides. You guys need to get this. If you're a bride, if you are an orgida, you are an amariya, you need to get this. You need to pamper your skin with it. Please, you must not be a bride before you do your yaranji, before you take care of you take care of your skin. This is so affordable. It's cost 18,000 naira, and the contents are dilke kalta, the roots, DA, collector, and some dukhan for your body. And I packed this for a beautiful customer, and I said, why not? Let me show my YouTube family our DIY bridal glow box. So send me a DM on the number on this, using the number on the screen. Just send a WhatsApp message to grab a box for yourself.